Face the wrath of Mother Nature. And this one is actually quite long. It's almost 3 minutes. And this is the Fauna hologram episode. Well, I assume maybe they're gonna accidentally kill a plant or something. And then Fauna's gonna go insane. Let's see if I'm correct. I wonder... Okay, it's Holox and Fauna.
Naturally, you didn't notice, did you? Sent by the gods, I am the keeper of nature, Ceres Fauna. Quit with your unnatural designs of world domination and live an upstanding life.
Alright.
Standing trespasser.
I want friends.
They kept saying grass, lol. So I thought they wanted some. Japanese is hard.
Well, at least it's not a hamster. At least she's not Noel.
I don't want to be the keeper of nature anymore. It's too hard. Yes.
Oh, that's an angle.
Cross me, cross Mother Nature.
I mean, have you become a full member? Wait, it was Chloe, right? This is like an intern. Or Holox. Or is that Iroha?
Ultimately, you will get stuck in quicksand and breathe your last breath.
I mean, I think that if I had to go out, I think I'll pick the first way. And yeah, I saw that ass shot. Louis has good hips.
Unnatural.
So I guess I have to make it natural. Do what I did to the office.
What I have to do. I must go.
And don't come back. Okay, it says minus 1 HP for some reason.
I brought my resume.
Okay, this is how I was when I was just a twig. Or just a sapling, I guess. But that looks more of, you know, just a twig. Oh, this is her original, right? Yeah, because I think I remember her singing this during the Holo Fest. 4th Fest, that is. Alright, yeah, that was okay, actually. I actually quite liked that, and I think her voice acting was actually pretty good. I don't have, like, anything negative to say. I mean, I guess I would have liked a little bit more lines from Iroha. But, I mean, if you do that, you have to cut down lines on others, you know. It's kind of like, it is what it is. Since Iroha's job is, you know, to be the bodyguard, maybe. Just have that, I mean, this is my favorite scene, like, oh my god! Like, when you look at that, like, the way this highlighted looks good. Oh, I never really noticed Iroha's right here. There's like this skin, what would you call that, like pantyhose suit? Kind of similar to like how Marine has. Well, not actually, because it seems to end right here and then it goes back to skin. So I guess her spats is just, it goes like that. Okay, and then up here. So it's like a clear back, like spat swimsuit maybe. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, I actually never really paid that much attention to Iroha's, like, right here. I mean, I'm also look here and here. No. For a hologram, which isn't like the best series, I think this was fine.